food, so we're gonna go back to Jackie's Airbnb and we're gonna eat it for you guys. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
We got some Colombian,
some Colombian hot
fast food?
dogs. Rapidogs, I think that's how it's pronounced.
Yeah, Rapidogs.
So Abner got nuggets and fries. And then I'm not really sure what this is. I think it might be cheese.
I think it's cheese.
I got my first Colombian hot dog. I've been wanting to try one of these for the longest time. One of my favorite mukbangers used to live in Colombia. And he said they were amazing. So if you know who I'm talking about, comment down below. I have no idea how to open this. Like, for real. It's like tape. All right, guys, the packaging is dumb. Okay, so let's get some of these sauces open. We got mayonnaise. Got ketchup.
And the house sauce that they said. These fries are actually good. Whatever seasoning they put on it, it's amazing.
Nacho cheese. Oh my god, it's so good.
I can't keep my eyes off the view right now here.
Oh wow.
So beautiful.
I've been the most impressed out of any country I've been to. I think the landscape and how the city is built, it's nothing like I've ever seen before.
Some french fries?
Yeah, grab one.
Wait, what'd you get? Is that a hot dog?
Yeah, it's a Colombian hot dog. I think this is cheese, so... yeah, it's like mozzarella.
All right, we're gonna get to eating because we're in a time crunch. We got somewhere to be. We're going to Rio Negro. It's on the way to the airport here, the close one in Medellin. So
Try fry.
we have a late flight. We won't be home till like 3 in the morning.
I'm not excited. I'm gonna be exhausted.
Cheese is good.
The cheese is super good. I don't even know how to eat this. I'm sliding it a little bit out so I got some room to bite. Oh my god, it looks crazy. So I think you have the hot dog, chips, cheese, mayo, ketchup, and guacamole. So here we go.
Damn, that looks like it's a lot of stuff on it.
Oh my gosh, there's bacon on it too.
I went with something light, like nuggets.
I was starving. This is my dream, guys. I'm living my dream and I'm making a mess.
My turn.
And guys, there's chips.
I'm gonna take this whole bite.
There's chips everywhere.
Yeah. Oh my god. That was a lot.
Try their secret sauce or house sauce.
It's pretty good. It's like the other sauces from around here.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Guys, so sorry I couldn't film it for you. Forgot. The most outstanding empanadas yesterday. It was the best I've had in my entire life. I got some cheese sticks. We got some chicken empanadas, some carne, and
Cheese sticks are really good.
the cheese dip is very good.
The cheese stick
Oh, the cheese stick.
from yesterday.
Yeah, he liked it. We even went back and got another one.
I'm on my last nugget. Last chicken nugget. The ketchup is sweeter here. Or salsa de tomate.
There's no pretty way to eat this.
This is a mess. All the birds are gonna fly here as soon as we leave. Watch. don't know if you can see the back though, or the hot dogs.
I don't know how to eat this anymore. Whew.
All right, guys.
That was the quickest mukbang we made. We made a huge mess. Make sure there's nothing on my face. I really like this. It was a dream come true to try it. I definitely wouldn't pick it over like empanadas and like all of the more traditional food, but I'm really happy I got to try it for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and tap that bell notification.
From Medellin. Bye.
Bye everyone.